Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to share Facebook Reels to Story. To start, open Facebook and sign into your account. Next, click Reels at the bottom. Next, find the reel you want to share. So you can scroll down to see all the reels. Once you've found the reel you want to share, tap Share underneath the reel in the bottom right corner. Next, select Add to Story at the bottom left corner or Your Story, and it will be shared to your story.
Quick one. If you're finding this tutorial helpful, my team and I publish simply and easy to understand step-by-step tutorial daily. And I'd really appreciate if you hit that subscribe button to support our channel and of course so that you'll never miss out when we release videos just like this one every single day. Now let's continue.
So click Home in the bottom left corner, click your story, and wait for it to upload. So as you can see, we have added the reels to our story. And that's how you can share Facebook Reels to your story. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.